In this video, we will find the differential gain, common mode gain, and common mode rejection ratio of MOS differential pair. This is the structure of MOS differential pair, in which two transistors Q1 and Q2 are used. These two transistors are matched transistors. Their parameters are same. Sources of Q1 and Q2 are joined together, and a constant current biasing which supply the constant current I is used. Inputs are given at the gate of Q1 and at the gate of Q2. As we are seeing in this circuit, VG1 is plus VID by 2 and VG2 is minus VID by 2. Application of input signal in equal amount but opposite polarity is known as balanced mode input. In balanced mode input, the two inputs have same magnitude but they are opposite in polarity. We have to find the expression for the differential gain due to the signal only, due to the applied input signal. So we have to draw the AC equivalent circuit of this MOS structure. To draw the AC equivalent circuit, we have to put the DC voltage at the ground level. So I have indicated here ground level, and we have to replace the current source, DC current source, as the open circuit. So here I have removed this current source. The source of these two transistors are joined together, and the joining point I have taken as a reference voltage 0 volt. Now consider the hybrid pi model of MOSFET, in which we already know the drain current is given as GM into BGS. We have to write the drain current of Q1. So ID1 can be written as GM into BGS1 equal GM into, and BGS1 is BID by 2. So put the value GM BID by 2. This is the drain current of Q1. Now calculate the drain current of Q2, ID2. It will be GM BGS2. BGS2 is here minus BID by 2. So it will be minus GM BID by 2. Now we have to find BD1 and BD2, drain voltage of Q1 and drain voltage of Q2. So see here, 0 minus BD1 is the voltage across RD. So 0 minus BD1 will be ID1 into RD. Similarly, 0 minus BD2 will be ID2 into RD. So using these two relations, we can write VD1 equals minus ID1 RD. Put the value of ID1, it will be minus GM BID by 2 RD. VD2 equals minus ID2 RD. Put the value of ID2 as minus GM BID by 2. So it will be plus GM BID by 2 into RD. So this is the drain voltage of Q1 and Q2. In case of differential amplifier, we already know we can take output in two ways. If output is taken differentially, in this case we take output across the drain of two transistors. So output will be BO equals BD2 minus BD1. Write the values of BD2 and BD1 it will be BO equals GM BID RD. So in this case, differential gain will be AD equals BO upon BID, means output upon differential input, it will be GM RD. Another way of taking output is single-endedly. In this case, output is taken across ground and any drain terminal of the differential amplifier, means we can take output between ground and BD1 or ground and VD2. So in this case, differential gain will be BD1 upon BID. Write the value of BD1 minus half GMRD. So differential gain in case of single-endedly output will be AD equals minus half GMRD. We already know GM equals 2ID upon VOB. Here VOB is the breakover voltage of MOSFET. ID is the drain current in the absence of input signal. So it will be I by 2 when there is no input signal. Then the current supplied by the constant current source will be equally divided between the two transistors. So it will be I by 2. After simplification, we can write GM equals I upon VOB. Now we have calculated the differential gain for differential output. Differential output is GM RD, and differential gain for single-ended output, in this case AD is minus half GMRD. Similarly, we have to calculate the common mode gain for two type of output, differential output and single-endedly output. Now see the circuit diagram. In this case, at the gate of Q1 and at the gate of Q2, we have applied the same signal BICM, common mode signal. In this case, we have used the same signal at both the gates. Transistors are matched. So drain current of Q1 and Q2 will also be same. Due to this, drain voltage will also be same. So drain voltage in this case can be written as VD1 equals minus RD upon 1 upon GM plus 2RSS into BICM. 1 upon GM is very small in comparison to 2RSS, so it can be ignored. So it will be minus RD upon 2RSS into BICM. The same drain voltage will appear at the drain of transistor Q2. So we can write BD2 equals as minus RD upon 2RSS BICM. Like the differential gain, we can write common mode gain in two ways. First, when output taken is differentially. In this case, output will be BD2 minus BD1. Since BD1 and BD2 both are same, so output will be 0. In this case, common mode gain ACM will be BO upon BICM, 0 upon BICM equals 0. So common mode gain in case of common mode signal and output is taken differentially will be 0. So differential amplifier rejects the common mode signal. Second case, if output is taken single-endedly. In this case, output will be BO equals BD1 or BO equals BD2. And BD1 and BD2 are like this, minus RD upon 2 RSS BICM, minus RD upon 2 RSS BICM. BD2 and BD1 both are same. So in case of single-endedly output, we can write common mode gain equals minus RD upon 2 RSS, BD1 upon BICM equals minus RD upon 2 RSS. BICM is the common mode signal. Now we have to find common mode rejection ratio. Common mode rejection ratio is a parameter of differential amplifier which shows the ability of differential amplifier to reject the common mode signal, and it is the ratio of differential gain to the common mode gain. Since we have calculated differential gain and common mode gain in two ways, one for differential output, another for single-ended output, so we have to calculate common mode rejection ratio for these two way of output. First, when output is taken differentially, in this case common mode rejection ratio will be AD upon ACM. In this case, when output is taken differentially, AD is GMRD and ACM is 0, so common mode rejection ratio will be infinite. Another case is when output is taken single-endedly. In this case, AD will be, common mode rejection ratio is the mod of AD upon ACM. In case of single-endedly output, differential gain is 1 by 2 GMRD and ACM is 1 by 2 RD upon 2 RSS. So common mode rejection ratio in this case will be GM RSS. So in this way we have calculated the differential gain, common mode gain and common mode rejection ratio of MOS differential pair.